Today I wanted to show you my favorite print out of the second Wagara collection, the Seiga waves that Keiko designed. It's unique as it's abstracted from the conventional Seiga waves. It has these unique flows and wonderful colors, as well as these details of the waves all around the outer edges.
My pick is Ishimatsu. This is a fantastic checkerboard print, and it has some of my favorite colors, this purple, this blue, and this golden yellow. And together, I think it's such a fun take on a classic checkerboard. It has texture, it's got cool tones, warm tones, but everything really blends together quite seamlessly. It's a surprisingly versatile print to wear, but also such a lovely gift wrap. And so I hope you'll love this Ishimatsu print as much as I do.
Okay, if you ask me which print is my favorite, it's so tough. I love all of them. But if I must, this is the print that I love. Mame shibori, with all these vibrant colors, circles moving into different directions, and it's so playful and such a happy pattern. And I think it suits my personality too.